This week has been one exciting, awesome week regarding MERS. Okay, we got JP Morgan Chase stopping all foreclosures. We got GMAC stopping all foreclosures in 23 states. We got judges in Florida ruling against MERS, and that's what they have been the leader in the way of all the MERS cases. And that's why JP Morgan and all of them have stopped. We got the Ohio Attorney General yesterday reviewing cases and has referred MERS and JP Morgan to a federal prosecutor for their practices, foreclosure practices. They're all MERS companies. And then we have Representative Alan Grayson yesterday from Florida, who did a video. It is awesome. Please watch it. It is on YouTube. I also have it on my blog, saying that MERS is fraud. Says it outright. MERS is fraud. They have no right to foreclose. We got yesterday Senator Al Franken, who wrote a letter to Treasury and who wrote a letter to other government officials saying, I think we might have a problem here with this whole MERS thing. We had Congressman Barney Frank, who is the Finance Committee Chair of the Congress, who wrote a letter to Fannie Mae saying, how does Fannie Mae foreclose, and do they use these foreclosure mills? And says outright in that letter that servicers cannot foreclose on people, only the owner of a mortgage. And that's what's been happening. There is no owner of MERS. There's no proof, so it's the servicers foreclosing. And what's great is the servicers, it ends up, they send a letter saying, whatever, Citibank, Bank of America, on behalf of the owner of the mortgage, we are looking at accelerating the maturity of your note and starting foreclosure proceedings. Oh, and Alan Grayson on his video said servicers break even by servicing. The way they make money is foreclosing. That's how they make their money, and that's why modifications, nothing has gone through. And by the way, in August, 25% increase of foreclosures, highest ever. 1 in 7 houses are basically being foreclosed on. It is one awesome week for MERS. It is breaking loose. It is getting attention. Bloomberg wrote an article about it. A lot of sites are writing articles about it now. It is finally coming to the forefront, the fraud, and all those judges that have still ruled for MERS and more for the foreclosures, and they'll tell the lawyers they just don't want to go there in the way of, and they know, where the lawyer's going with the whole MERS and the no right to foreclose of ownership. They cannot just say, we don't want to go there anymore. They're going to have to rule by the law. There's enough evidence and government officials saying outright that MERS is fraud. So I hope you have a MERS mortgage. Please get this information out. Anybody in trouble with their mortgage, they cannot be foreclosed on if they are a MERS mortgage. If they're not sure, either do a search on the internet for the bank, if it's MERS, or on the second page of the deed you got at closing, it'll say who the owner is. And if it says Mortgage Electronic Registration Service, you're MERS. Alright, so this is one awesome week. It's breaking apart all the fraud. I hope you have a great day. Bye.